In the world of green buildings, there is something that stands out for its innovation and revolutionary impact: the Earthship. It is fascinating, and I will try to briefly explain the basic concepts. This type of house, designed by Reynolds, is now an icon of self-sufficiency and sustainability. And the great thing is that he also uses recycled materials. Their story begins in the 1970s in New Mexico, when Reynolds, a visionary architect along with other friends, began exploring new ways to build self-sufficient homes in harmony with the environment. He introduced an audacious concept: building houses using recycled materials, such as old tires, glass bottles, and cans. These materials are used to create massive walls that act as thermal mass, in the case of tires, or insulation, in the case of bottles and cans. The number one special feature of Earthships is self-sufficiency. These houses are designed to generate their own energy using solar panels and capture rainwater for all domestic purposes. They have built-in greenhouses that provide fresh food all year long, creating an environment where residents can live healthily and be free. Some even have fish tanks. "I am completely free," said Reynolds when he first realized he had built a self-sufficient home. But Earthships are not only energy efficient, they are an example of ingenious design because they also turn waste into resources. Reynolds has faced legal challenges and numerous critics over the years, but his determination has brought him to success. In 2007, the documentary Garbage Warrior introduced the world to Earthship's approach, highlighting the struggles and achievements made in promoting sustainable and revolutionary architecture. I highly recommend watching this film, but let's come to the point and see how an Earthship works. First, the thermal mass. You build the north wall with the famous tires filled with earth. This wall is itself back-to-back with a mound of earth. In front of that are large windows that let the sun penetrate all the way through and warm our wall. The front is often built using bottles and cans, which are for insulation. Now, the sun's heat stored in the back wall remains there all through the night. To quote Michael again, it doesn't go away. When it rains, on the other hand, we have a large enough surface area to collect a lot of water that will be stored in the reservoirs behind our thermal wall. And so it is that with water and sunshine, the Earthship already has almost everything it needs. Today, Earthships are already a reality in different parts of the world, proving that innovation can coexist with sustainability and, most importantly, that the way to build for living free does exist. These homes send a powerful message: we can build a future where our actions embrace nature instead of destroying it and rid it of waste instead of polluting it. If everyone could have a house like this, the energy transition would be a breeze. Earthships are a triumph of the human genius and a tribute to harmony with the planet. Thank you for joining me on this very short guided tour. I hope I have intrigued you and awakened your desire to learn more. In the description you will find the links. A greeting from Elsa, and see you next time.